Hello and welcome to Operation Stormy Weather. This is Mafui here for British Alliance. Turn. It's like 12 or something. Turn 12. Fall winter of 18. First things first is actually China. There's $6. Can buy 3 cavalry. And they're going to send everything in to Shenzi. So, 2 first strikes. And 2. See ya. Get him. I have to roll for retreats. 7 cavalry. 7 cavalry. Everything makes it. 7 infantry. 1 retreat. 1 mountain infantry. Okay. Everything goes in except 1 infantry. That's interesting, to say the least. Place 3 cavalry in Hunan. In Guizhou. Gives the most versatility. Or is there even 3 manpower? No, there's only 2. 1 in Sichuan. Yep. Collect 4. Bump up. And pick up 4. Then it is the British turn. I rolled tech on Discord. Getting AAA +1 naval transport capacity, which is really big. Improved logistics, which is also really big. And economic collapse, which doesn't matter that much. I also rolled a free diplomacy roll for the Netherlands and aligned them. And then I'm going to spend 51 out of 51 on 30 for that, 10 for 2 ships, 2 battleships. Starting 1 and pushing 1. And then $1 on a roll for Greece. And oh my gosh, I pull Greece to stage 3. Wow. That's the purchase. And then couple big things happening is the British are declaring war on the Americans. They will walk into New England. Getting $2. From the Americans. Seaplane will raid. And big fleet battle. So we're sending 1, 2, 3, 4 reaches. I have LRA so the fighter can reach. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is in. 2 fighters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have LRA and an airbase, so that fighter's in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fighters in. That's everything from the north. The first fleet is all slow. Fourth fleet can make it in full, along with this DVD. And I believe that is all of the British combat moves. Everything else is non-combat for the British, and the other combats are for the French. So let's just roll some raiding. I raid at a +2 because I have radar, but it's -2. So we net. It's 8 to 4, so 4 damage. Maxes the line at 3. Goes and lands in Labrador. Then let's do the big battle. And it is winter. So this is only 2 rounds. Let me go check and see if improved logistics changes that. Still 2 limits. 2 turns. Okay. And that is the setup. No first strike. So one of those is air superiority, one is target select. One is target select down here. Okay, let's start with the 7s. 1 hit, and then 6s, and this is air superiority. Nothing. 5s. 3 hits. 4 hits. 3s. This will have air superiority, the other one will have target select. So we get a target select, 2s, another one, so what is that? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's a target. I will target select early cruiser, and it's 5 more. 3, 4, 5, 6 more. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4. I really don't know what casualties, if they would keep the carrier or not. Probably not. 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then let's roll defense. 6s with air superiority. It's 2, fighter and fighter. 5. Nope. 4s. Nope. 3s, red has target select. Nope. And a 1. Hits. That will damage a dreadnought. Yep. And then round 2. One at 7, 2 at 6, 1 hit, 5 at 4, or 6 at 5, that one, 3, 1 4, 1 3, 3 2s, hit, 3 4, 5. So I kill everything, all but 1 unit. Not sure how fighters work, if they have a chance to land or not. 6s. 2 hits. 3 4s. 4 more hits for him, that sucks. Damages a dreadnought for 1. Damages a carrier. Damaged 1. So that's 2. And 2 TVDs for 4 hits. Fourth Fleet has to retreat. I don't know what happens now. I'm gonna message in the chat. Actually, no. We're gonna go with... I feel like these fighters can survive. They have an wow. Are there 36 rules in here somewhere? 36, 36, 14, no, 36 rules. And there's no carriers in 14. I feel like this fighter has one movement is the problem. I think it has one movement to run away. So I'm going to leave him with one destroyer. If I am wrong, you could have a fighter landed somewhere. And the 4th Fleet is still not bad. Okay. Then it is British non-combats. I'll take these transports. French transports are leaving too. They're going to come out. Pick up 6 dudes. Go 1, 2, 3. Dropping in the 32nd. '17th Air comes over 1, 2, 3, 4. These transports are likely going to be in port. That's from that side. Transport takes 1, 2, 3. Colonials 1, 2. Into the 32nd. This group walks into the 32nd. Infantry rails to the 32nd. I have a second rail, don't I? I'll rail this guy to the 32nd because I have improved logistics. These guys walk over. This guy walks up. This guy walks up.